You're searching for that one cream, the one that won't break you out, won't sting like regret at 2 a.m., and won't turn your face into an oil slick by noon. Yeah, I've been there. And after testing way too many miracle creams, I landed on something that actually surprised me. Dr. Althea 345 Relief Cream. So stay till the end, because this one isn't hype first, results later. Let's get straight into it. The 345 Relief Cream is made for acne-prone and sensitive skin, and the first thing I noticed was the texture. It looks like a gel, feels like a light cream, and absorbs fast. No greasy film, no sticky finish. I used it morning and night, and my skin didn't complain once, which is rare because my skin usually files formal complaints. What really matters is what it does. This cream is clinically tested as non-comedogenic, meaning it's designed not to clog pores. In real use, I didn't get surprise breakouts after applying it daily, even when layering sunscreen on top. That alone earns points. Ingredient-wise, this is where it gets interesting. You've got niacinamide, which helped even out dull areas over time, and ceramide NP, which supports the skin barrier. Translation: my skin felt calmer and more hydrated, especially after acne flare-ups. There's also Centella asiatica, panthenol, and beta-glucan, all known for soothing stressed, irritated skin. After about a week, redness around old blemishes visibly toned down. Not erased overnight, but noticeably calmer. How I used it was simple. Cleanser, toner, then this cream as my final step. No complicated routine, no 10-step nonsense. Now, honest take, this isn't an instant acne eraser. If you expect pimples to vanish in 24 hours, relax. What it does well is support healing, reduce irritation, and keep your skin balanced so breakouts don't get worse. So if you're dealing with post-acne sensitivity, redness, or skin that freaks out easily, Dr. Althea 345 Relief Cream is genuinely worth considering. Not loud, not flashy, just quietly effective. And sometimes that's exactly what your skin needs. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.